Greetings everyone and welcome to this new video in the series on how to perform statistical data analysis in R for beginners. This video is all about R scripts, what they are and how they are useful to save and retrieve code to be able to work on a code at a later date or for easy reproducibility of our analysis. A new R script file can be loaded by going to the new file drop down option and selecting the R script option. Here we can write our code and save this code in any folder and then come back at a later date to continue writing code. This is extremely useful since writing code in a console will erase the code once you restart R or boot your computer again. That means that all your progress is lost, your script can't be, or your code can't be retrieved, and if you want to make additions or changes in your code or your code is wrong and you want to find out where the problem is, the console is not really a good place to write your to write your code for your analysis. In the next video, we will have a look at how to import data into R. Thanks for watching.